Welcome back to my channel, and for those joining us for the first time, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. For today's recipe, we will be making arroz con leche. For this recipe, I'll be using 3 cups of rice, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 sticks of cinnamon, ½ cup of raisins, and powdered cinnamon for dusting, and ½ gallon of milk. Okay, let's begin. Alright, so we're going to add ½ gallon of milk to my pot. And now I have this set up for high heat. So now we're going to add our rice. And our 2 cinnamon sticks. So make sure you keep an eye on it so the rice won't stick to the bottom. So let's leave it there and we'll be back in 10 minutes. So it's been past 10 minutes and my rice still needs to cook a little bit longer. So we're going to leave it for another 5 more minutes and we'll come back and check on it. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and you can notice the difference in the rice. It's fluffier. You can see it got more thicker. So now we're going to add our evaporated milk. Stir it in. And to this you don't need to add sugar because we're already adding the condensed milk. Mix it, make sure it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pot. And now we'll add our condensed milk. Alright, so we're going to stir it. Make sure everything mixes up well. And you could remove the cinnamon sticks. I'm going to leave them in. Some people don't like them in there, but I like to leave them in there. It gives them more flavor. Now I'm going to be adding my raisins. If you don't like raisins, that's optional. You could leave them out. Mix it, and we're going to leave it for about another 10-15 minutes. So it's been past 15 minutes and our rice is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and we're just going to let it cool so we can serve it. You see how thick it got? Just keep on stirring it until it gets cool and it's ready to serve. Okay, so now my rice is cool. We're just gonna dust some ground cinnamon. Again, this is optional. And there you have it, guys. This is the way I make my arroz con leche. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you do it, let me know how it comes out. Thanks for watching.